Well, he pled guilty to 3 of the 9 counts against him. One admitting that he was operating a vehicle while under the influence of alcohol and cocaine. The final count was leaving the scene of a personal injury accident. And then the most serious count was count 8, admitting that he drove recklessly, that he drove drunk, and that he killed 3 people.
And there was some, I mean, in there, you know, obviously he had to confer with his lawyer because he made some statements that he wasn't in agreement with everything, but then he finally did make the guilty.
Mr. Saccone learned from Judge Doran's demeanor that he was not in charge. It was not his show like it was back in February.
It needs to be unequivocal.
No question. Yeah, and I'll be honest with you, I don't know if you saw me, I was literally on my way out of my seat to withdraw it, but Judge Doran took charge.
DA, obviously on the charges that you got guilty plea for, you got nearly the maximum on those. Can you talk about the risk of going to trial or trying to sustain the murder charge?
There's a number of hurdles that have to be overcome in a case like this to get a murder conviction. The law in New York, frankly, is split. Some cases more egregious than this have resulted in manslaughter convictions. Other cases that have more elements than this have resulted in murder convictions, and that's primarily due to the tenaciousness of the Nassau County DA. With that said, I've explained all of this to the families since day one, and there is something to be said for finality and certainty. There's no appellate court that's going to reverse this. This is over. We won't see this guy again. And what they understand is that their burden now is, starting in 2028, is to appear vociferously every 2 years and make sure that he is not paroled early.
And you spent a lot of time, obviously, with the victim's family. And we've talked to them as well. The frustration is apparent, and then we see what just happens in court. Speak to that.
Well, look, there's pain that will never go away for these people. It's just frustrating, and it's compounded when you see this guy, you know, out getting drunk at some picnic, and then, you know, doing speedies at the Nationals. I mean, where do you buy like hubris like that? I don't know. I mean, I could be a millionaire, just put it in a box and sell it, and I could retire. I don't get it. I feel sorry for Mr. Sullivan. I know for a fact that he told him, look, just be as low key as possible. You know? If you go out tomorrow and you donate $100 to the Little Sisters of the Poor, you're still going to be the guy that killed 3 kids. Stay home. You know.